Welcome back to AI Smart Talk. In the last tutorial, we built a SmartFlow that runs automatically on every incoming message. Today, we build the other kind, a tool. A tool is also a SmartFlow, but with a different trigger. The AI itself decides when to call it during a conversation, with what arguments, and what to do with the result. Before we build, 2 minutes on how a tool actually works under the hood. This is the agentic loop. Step 1, the user sends a message. Can you open a ticket for my broken charger? Step 2, the AI looks at the message, looks at the list of tools you have configured, and decides, this needs the Create ticket tool. It also decides what arguments to pass. The issue type, a short description, a priority. It calls the tool with those arguments. Step 3, the tool runs. It does the action you wired into it, in this case, hits Jira's API and creates a ticket. It returns an observation. An observation is just the result of the tool's action, a small payload that tells the AI what happened. Ticket created, ID 223, link attached. Step 4, the AI reads the observation. It decides whether the loop is done or whether it needs more information. Maybe it calls another tool to confirm the ticket is visible. Maybe it has everything it needs and replies to the user directly. The AI controls the loop. You don't write the orchestration. The AI orchestrates itself based on what each tool returns. Step 5, the AI replies to the user with a natural language summary of what just happened. I've opened ticket 223 for your broken charger. Our team will follow up shortly. One last thing. There is a special action you'll see when building a tool, set observation. It is the action that ends the tool with a payload the AI can read. Every tool needs at least one set observation node. Otherwise, the AI gets nothing back and the loop breaks. So now you have the model. Tool is a SmartFlow with trigger conversation tool. AI calls it with arguments. Tool runs. Tool sets an observation. AI reads the observation, decides what's next. Let's build one. Open Maya's admin and click AI Skills. Click Create AI Skill. The conversation tool modal opens. This single form is where you teach the AI what your tool does, not just what it's called. First, the description. Watch the wording. Create a ticket in Jira. This sentence is what the AI reads to decide when to call the tool. Be specific, be plain. Imagine you are writing it for a teammate who has never seen the product. Second, the variables. These are what the AI fills in when it calls the tool. We add 2, title, with a short description, title of the ticket, and description with description of the issue. The AI reads the conversation, infers each value, and passes them in. Third, user targeting. By default, the tool is available to all users. You can also restrict it to connected users only or to specific roles via role-based access. We cover roles in another tutorial. For today, we leave it on all users. Click Create Workflow. The visual canvas opens with the conversation tool node already in place. Now we add the action. Click the plus below the trigger and add Create Jira Issue. This action came in when we connected Jira earlier, exactly the point we made. Each integration you connect adds new actions to your library. We configure the Jira issue. Project, development. Summary, we map it to our title variable using the variable picker. Description, we map it to our description variable. Issue type, bug. Priority and assignee, we leave blank for now. Last action, set observation. This is what the AI gets back from the tool. We return the issue key and the issue URL, so the AI can quote both in its reply to the user. Save, quick sanity test in the built-in tester. We pass a sample title and description, hit run. Every node lights green. Click into the output variable. We see the issue URL. The tool works, time for the real test. Back to overview, we open the chat. We type, I want to report a problem, I can't log into the admin panel. Watch what happens. The AI matches our tool description, infers the title and description from the message, calls Create a ticket. Jira creates issue dev822. The AI replies with a confirmation and the link to the ticket. End-to-end, no orchestration code, no API plumbing. 2 small details to polish the experience. Back inside the tool, we scroll to the loading message. By default, it says something generic. We change it to, I'm reporting your problem. That is what the customer sees on screen while the tool is running. One last thing worth showing, Maya runs in 37 languages. The tool itself is defined in English, but the AI's reasoning translates on the fly. We open the widget in French, type our issue, and the AI calls the tool, fills the title and description in French, creates the ticket. Same tool, any language. Recap. A tool is a SmartFlow with trigger conversation tool. You give it a description the AI reads to decide when to call it, variables the AI fills in, and an action provided natively by an integration you connected, ending in set observation. The AI orchestrates the loop itself. From here, you can build any tool you can imagine. Connect more integrations, get more actions, build more tools. Same canvas, same agentic loop. Next tutorial, role-based access. We open up the access controls and decide which users can use which tools. See you there!